Hey everyone, G is here with the Builderall team, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use the URL shortener to have pretty links. Now to do this is pretty simple. We just need to go to affiliates. Let's go all the way to the left to where it says Funnel Club, and if you don't have it open, click on it and it should open. Then click on Builderall Funnels. Then right here where it says Link Generator, you're going to click it and go down to where it says URL Shortener. Click URL Shortener. Now what the URL shortener does is takes your long links, which in most cases in MLM, they're pretty long and they have a lot of IDs and numbers and letters, and that just doesn't look pretty when you're sharing it on your social media or in your website or text messages. So you want a pretty short link. So over here, for example, we're going to post a Facebook group post link. Let's paste and then click on shorten URL. Let's go to page 2 where we have it. As you can see right here, there's the latest link it created. Now what we can do is click the settings, and this is our shortened URL, and here we can actually rename it, and let's call it Facebook Post 1. And here we can give it a title so it's easy to find. Facebook Post Test 1. And let's press save. And now we can click copy. Let's open up a new tab and paste. As you can see, this is our new link. Let's press enter, and automatically redirects us to the link that we wanted. And that's how you use the URL shortener to create pretty links. I hope this was helpful and you get to use it in your network marketing business. Once again, my name is Gene Hankis with the Builderall team.